how to fix screen share not working on PS5. So first you want to go and press the share button on your controller. Once you press on it, then we will go into share screen. Click on it here and check your settings to make sure that your party type is either open or closed, and also you can request to join. So if somebody wants to join your stream or the screen sharing, they will have to ask you for permission first. And also, if it's not working, make sure you are not exceeding the player limit. Once you have checked all of this, then we can go into our settings here. Then you want to go into network, select settings, set up internet connection. Now you want to press the options button on your controller and go and change the Wi-Fi frequency band to 5 GHz. Once you have changed this, you can go into advanced settings, and the last thing that we're gonna do is to go and select DNS settings, set this to manual, and here type this. The primary DNS is going to be 1.1.1.1, and the secondary DNS is going to be 1.0.0.1. Afterwards, you want to click on OK to connect to the internet, and now your screen sharing should work. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.